Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about what you should expect when you are getting a new roof put on. So let's get started. The first thing that you should expect is an inspection, obviously. And there's two major ways that come about. So someone could either knock on your door, book an inspection with you, and then you go from there. Or you could give somebody a call and have somebody come out, give you an inspection. Either way is fine. Just make sure whatever company that you decide to work with, you've vetted and done a little bit of research on. The next thing that you should expect is the presentation. So if they conduct an inspection, they find damage, either storm damage or just wear and tear, general, age of the roof, you should inspect a presentation. And those presentations most of the time are going to consist of product, process, and price, or at least they should. So they should go over what products they're going to be using, what you touch them, feel them, get an understanding of the type of material. They should walk you through their process, and it should be extremely thorough. They should tell you step by step what they're going to do, how they're going to protect your home, how to pay, all that kind of stuff. And then price. So they should leave the presentation with your, when they're done, you should have a price in hand for them to do the repairs or the full roof replacement. If you decide to go with the company that came out and gave you the presentation, the next thing you should expect is probably a waiting period, especially right now in the fall and in the spring and in the summer. Roofing companies get a little bit backed up, so you should expect some type of waiting period, normally a week, 2 weeks. If it's a much larger company, it could be up to a month, 6 weeks between the time you sign the contract and when they are actually putting your new roof. So installation is the next part of the process. This is really the most all-encompassing one. So you should expect noise, you should expect some debris, you should expect some inconvenience. You might even need to build into your budget a bit of money for possible change orders. A lot of times roofing contractors cannot tell bad flashings, bad decking, that kind of stuff until you get the roof torn off. So they might have to come to you with a change order. That's not uncommon, and that's something that you should prepare yourself for, so it's not such a shock if it does happen. The next thing you should expect, obviously, is to receive your bill. Depending on whether it's insurance or retail work, two different ways this happens. So when it's insurance work, we receive the first payment on the day that we are there installing. So the materials are there, dumpsters there, crews there. We get the first payment. When we're done, if we have to submit any supplements, we send into your insurance company the pictures, the codes, the reason why it had to be done, along with an exactament price. It's called a supplement. So that's basically the insurance closeout paperwork. And once we're done with that, we then receive the depreciation, or you will receive the depreciation payment and any of the supplements, and then we can get paid there. For retail work, you would have already put down a 25% deposit. So once we have finished up the project, we send you a final invoice. It's for the additional 75% that haven't been paid yet. Once you paid that, either through check, cash, or one of the payment links we have, then your project is paid in full. The last thing that you should expect is for your contractor to ask you for a 5-star Google review, possibly even a BBB review or an Angie's Leads review, depending on how the lead came in. But this is really, really important for contractors of all types, but especially roofing contractors. It really helps our business grow. It helps set us apart from the competition that is not very good or that wants to take advantage of customers and that kind of thing. So do your contractors a favor if they've done a great job for you and leave them a 5-star review. Thanks. Hope you guys learned something.